Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. I recorded this a long time ago, like sometime last year, and it's like deleted half my footage, and that was when I was using my phone, so hopefully this will be a better video. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today, and I'm pretty excited about it, so let's get into it. So I'm just going to be priming my eyelids to start.
I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want.
First, I'm gonna be going in with Silk Cream.
Woke up in the kitchen, say that I'll take this shit up and I'll baby.
I'm gonna go in with Butter next. Yeah, we're gonna go in with Mocha. So now I'm just going to put my glitter glue on the cut crease. It looks like this. And I'm going to put that all over the lid. Made out of magic, my tongue got superpowers. I woke up in the morning, passed out in the shower. Woke up in the kitchen, and if this shit happen, oh baby, I'm gonna go back into the Morphe palette, and I'm going to use to go in with my NYX Lip of the Day liner in Cherished. I'm going to use that on my eyelids. And now I'm going to take my Sigma Stellar Glitter. I'm going to put some glitter glue down first.
I've been sipping since I've been too young. That mean, baby girl. I've been popping, I've been rolling since I was 17. I've been geeking on that water. I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want. Want your number? I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers.
Alright, so I just did my eyeliner and lashes off camera. My eyelashes are a little wonky right now just because I stacked them And I'm pretty sure this one needs to be trimmed. But yeah, I'll zoom you guys out. Okay, so I'm just going to do my face now.
Since I've been too young, that mean baby girl. I've been popping, I've been rolling. Since I was 17, I've been geeking on that water. I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want
That is the finished look. And you guys could totally use this for like prom or something too. I think it'd be super cute for prom. Anyways, so this is the finished look. I'm trying to rush because my battery's gonna die. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my social medias and do all that good stuff. And I will, like always, see you guys in the next one. Bye.